Joker's got a bone to pick with Halloween. This year, he has a new obsession: laser cutting chaos. He's ready to unleash some spooky surprises. Firstly, he'll mold a skull. And then convert it to grayscale image. Find the wall crack picture and combine it with the skull. Let's begin our laser adventure. Joker will pulse the laser every half an hour and polish it gently. And then put it back. Joker believes this coaster is ready to haunt your Halloween.
I know. Isn't it beautiful?